Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Joining us for today's episode of Biztalk is a self-confessed foodie and a travel enthusiast at heart. This international model turned actor continues to deliver mesmerizing performances as a Kapuso leading man and as a co-host of GMA News TV's food and lifestyle show, Taste Buddies. Mga Kapuso, please welcome Kapuso Hunk, Gil Cuerva. Masantoshi kabasan, Gil, and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Good morning mga Kapuso. Thank you for having me in Mornings with GMA Regional TV. And I'm excited to be here.
Nako, kami rin dito lahat super excited. Pero una sa lahat, kamusta ka at ang iyong pamilya?
Okay naman kami. We're getting by. We're a family of 6 and a half. I say one half kasi nandito yung pamangkin ko, yung anak ng ate ko. So she's still 2 years old. So I count her as a half person. Pero all in all, okay naman kami. We're just one big happy family. We're just trying to get by through these tough times. And hopefully, everybody else is safe as well. And that hopefully matapos na eventually tong virus and that there's a vaccine soon.
Yes, so ito let's talk about Taste Buddies naman. How does hosting a food and lifestyle show make you feel?
I love it. I think Taste Buddies probably is one of the biggest blessings of my career here in showbiz and GMA, simply because it's given me an outlet to, aside from the fact that I'm learning how to host and be a good host and stuff like that, it's also given me an outlet to really just be myself, have fun, enjoy. Aside from the fact that I also get to try new food, I get to do all these kinds of adventures. Remember, Taste Buddies is not only just a food show. We do other activities and adventures as well. We go out of town, we try different activities like zip lining or rappelling, rock climbing, so on and so forth. And these are things I'm really grateful for because these are things I would do for fun. I would do it on my own free time, on my own free will. And here I am. I'm hosting a show where I get to do a lot of the things that I want to do.
Yes, it's like a food to your soul, ika nga.
That's really a great way to put it. Yes, food for my soul.
That's true. So, how would you describe your team up with Solen?
It's really cool. Prior to the lockdown, prior to quarantine and COVID, Solen wasn't really taping with us. Syempre, she just gave birth, so she's taking care of her baby. But I really missed Solen, and I missed her yung kulitan namin, how she was always really the bully to me in the show. Which, it's something I'm fine with. I play along with.
So, what is the most interesting thing you've done with Solen so far in Taste Buddies?
Interesting thing. We went to La Union and we went surfing. And I could see Solen doing pretty well. She could probably ride a pretty medium-sized wave. And then you could see me only standing for 2 seconds before falling. So it was quite an experience, even if I was not successful in surfing. She, being Solen Yusuf, was able to surf and do all kinds of things with the surfboard. Meanwhile ako, hirap na hirap mag-balance. So, pampapogi lang to.
Pero ito nabanggit mo nga kanina, maraming nagta-travel din kayo along, and how things are going to change with Taste Buddies under the new normal, and what can viewers expect to see from your fresh episodes?
The format of Taste Buddies has changed in a way. As I mentioned earlier, Solen and I have something called Team Bahay and Team Gala. For the past couple of episodes, si Solen yung in charge of all the at-home stuff. So she's the one giving the Kapuso viewers tips on how to add more life, on how to maintain their house, how to create a safe working space or environment even at your own home. Whereas me, ako naman yung in charge sa Team Gala, where I'm able to go on location and try different kinds of activities, adventures that the Kapuso viewers may not exactly be able to try now, but at least by watching us, they get excited and they kind of have like just a bit of thrill. Like if they see me, let's say riding an ATV or maybe go wakeboarding, then at least they have something to watch and they'll be like, oh, that seems so cool. Maybe I could try it pag okay na, pag wala na masyadong restrictions, pag may vaccine na and COVID has subsided.
Imbitahan mo na sila na tutukan ang fresh new episodes ng Taste Buddies.
Hello mga kapuso, so Soledad and I have brand new episodes for you guys on Taste Buddies. We hope you guys can watch them. We have a new format now. We have Team Bahay versus Team Gala. You can catch more of it every Saturdays, 8:45 p.m. on GMA News TV.
Maraming salamat, Gil! Have a great day and stay safe!
Thank you very much and stay safe as well.
Magbabalik ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.